The Bajaj Finserv Small Segment Business Loan is available to both salaried and self-employed individuals, with no minimum turnover criteria required. The co-applicant's age should be between 24 and 65 at the time of loan maturity, and the CIBIL score should exceed 720. Eligible applicants can receive a loan amount ranging from 1.5 lakh rupees to 30 lakh rupees with a tenure of 12 to 60 months. The interest rate is between 21% and 24% on a reducing basis. The approval time is 1 day, with disbursement in 3 days. Foreclosure charges are 4% of the loan amount, and processing fees range from 2% to 3%. Part payments are not allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. If the applicant is not a proprietorship firm or is under 30 years of age, a co-applicant is required. The business should have been in operation for at least 2 years and the processing is conducted online. Ownership proof of either an office or residence is required. A unique selling point, USP, of this loan product is the 24-hour loan sanction. The loan service is available pan-India. Certain profiles are ineligible for this loan, including applicants with rented properties on both sides, office and residence, grain traders, jewelers, share traders, gym owners, those in the tour and travel industry, and real estate professionals. Additionally, there is no specific product offering for professionals. The required documents include KYC for both the applicant and co-applicant, the last 3 years' income tax returns, ITR, with income computation for both the applicant and co-applicant, and the last 3 years' bank statements of the applicant. The applicant's last 2 years' Form 16, as well as the last 2 years' 26 as for both the applicant and co-applicant, are needed. Business documents include a copy of GST registration, MSME registration, and the last 12 months of GST returns. For applicants with existing loans, the sanction letter of all running loans and a debt sheet are required. Proof of residence in the form of the latest utility bill if owned, or a rent agreement if rented, as well as proof for the office location, is necessary. 2 references with contact details must be provided, along with the last 3 years of debtors and creditors on letterhead. If the applicant is a company, a list of directors and shareholders is required, or a list of partners if the applicant is a partnership or LLP.